If you have been on the hunt for the perfect salad this summer, look no further. I got you. I'm making my Asian chopped salad that you are going to love today, but love even more in the next few days because it just gets better with time. I'm Juli Bauer Roth, the food, fitness, and lifestyle blogger behind PaleoMG. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to share my favorite food today, workout, and wellness tips to help you live your best damn life. Today we are making the most delicious summer salad. It's an Asian chopped salad. And I love this salad because it's super cold, it's really refreshing, and it just gets better as it sits in the fridge. It's so good. The hardest part, and it's not even hard because you just blend everything in your blender, is making the dressing, okay? You can do this though. You make the dressing, you pour it in, you mix everything together, okay? It's very simple. Now, before you start writing this recipe down, don't worry, I have it on my blog that I will link in the description below, so you can go straight there and then you can print off the recipe. No need to worry. Now, I've already done some of the chopping for you, okay? You don't have to watch me chop everything. I got purple cabbage in here. We got red bell pepper in here, and we have some sliced carrot, and I'll show you how I slice the carrot. But I try to make everything about the same size. So here's the purple cabbage, here's the red bell pepper. They're about the same size, and so you're not trying to get, you know, a purple cabbage that's this long into your mouth. Make it bite-sized, make it enjoyable to eat. Now let's get into the rest of the ingredients. We need some Napa cabbage, green onion. I'm gonna show you how I slice this carrot. We also have mint. We're gonna add a nice refreshing pop, and then some crunchy and sweet aspects. I have sliced almonds for a little crunch, and then for sweet, I have these Mandarin oranges. You can buy Mandarin oranges without being in the juice, but I like them in the juice a little bit better, and they're nice and bright and just so delicious. This is just Mandarin orange juice that it's in, so it's not some weird, I don't know, syrupy stuff. Now let me show you how I chop everything. Now first, let's slice up our Napa cabbage. I love Napa cabbage. It's so easy to slice compared to the other cabbages out there, and it's just really refreshing. It's light. It's not a super crunchy cabbage like some out there. So you can see it's pretty much just like lettuce. So I'll slice this all up and then add everything else. Okay, that's enough for now. Set that aside. Use the rest for something else. And then plop that in our bowl. Now I have a green onion. I'm doing 2 green onions actually. And I'm gonna do the greens and the whites. Slice this up, just little quick dices. They're going everywhere. Okay. See if I can get all those in the bowl. And then I wanted to show you how I slice my carrot, because slicing carrots can just get a little annoying when you're just kind of trying to julienne slice them. It's just a little bit tedious. You can totally do it. But I love this little, you can see I already used it for the carrot. It's just this little julienne slicer. They're super cheap. You can get them on Amazon. And then all I have to do is just pull it through. It's so easy. Instead of slicing all them up, it's gonna be so much quicker and save you time, and it's summer, like obviously you wanna have time saved. So, pull this all out. There's always this like end, and I'll just eat it. Just pull that through, and then I'll just give it a quick slice. And so we have those same bite-sized pieces. Okay, we added that in. Now, let's just add in some mint. Woo! We need some refreshing. Oh my God, mint smells so good. It smells so freaking good. And I'm just eyeballing this. I don't freaking know. I mean, like, I'll probably go a 1/3 cup of mint before I slice it up. And I just pull it right off the stem there. Not perfection here. Oh my God, it smells so damn good. Okay, that leaf's a little ugly, but no hate, no shade. I just like to do a lot. I mean, this is totally up to you. You can also add cilantro, whatever herb you have maybe in your herb garden. You could do basil or Thai basil. Oh my gosh, have you tried Thai basil? It's just so fantastic. Okay, that's good enough. See, I'm just eyeballing it, and then I'll just kind of bunch it up together and just slice it through. And you could literally throw the whole leaves in there. I just like adding a little bit more flavor all throughout instead of that big one bite. Get it all in there. Okay. Perfect. That's a good bundle of mint. Now, I'm just gonna add the toasted, let's just get rid of this guy. I'm just gonna add the toast. Oh my gosh, Julie. Do you care about the dirtiness? Sure hope not. I'm just gonna add the toasted, damn it, Julie, just shut up. Let's clean this up and act like I'm a clean person. Okay, now let's add some sliced almonds. You could also do cashews, you could do peanuts, whatever you like. Just toss that in there. And then I will drain these Mandarin oranges. These are the ones that I just picked up at Whole Foods. So I'm just gonna drain the juice because I don't need all that juice. And honestly, you could just keep that juice and drink it. Oh my gosh, I'm kind of bummed I'm not doing that right now. Disappointed in myself. But look at these. They're just like the perfect size. Should have kept the juice. Missed opportunity. Okay, that's perfect. Get in there, baby. Awesome. Now let's make the dressing. So I'm using a little Blendtec blender. It's just one of these smaller blenders. You could use one of those like smoothie maker, or you can just put it in your normal blender. Anything will work. I just like the smaller ones because then I don't have to clean as big of a blender. So I'm gonna start with about, okay, I know how to get it on here. I've done this before. I'm gonna start with about a half a cup of peanut butter, and I just eye it out because that's how I do everything. And normally I would lick my finger and this peanut butter spoon, but you know, there's company here, so I never do that. Okay, gotta clean my finger. That's what she, ew. Okay, clean fingers. Okay, now you're gonna have to make sure you thin it out a little bit. So I always add about a third cup of water, and you can add more later as well. Then I got about 3 tablespoons, eyeing it out, of coconut aminos. Make sure you're not doing liquid aminos. It is going to make it so salty, and then you'll say, this recipe is terrible. No, it's your liquid aminos that is terrible. So make sure it's coconut aminos. Then I got about 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. You could also use olive oil. Then I'm gonna do about 1 tablespoon. This is rice wine vinegar. You can use whatever vinegar you prefer, but I like that for Asian type recipes. Then I'm gonna do a tablespoon of honey. We're just gonna sweeten it up just a little bit. And a tablespoon of sriracha. I really love this brand. It's called Fix Sriracha. Okay, geez. We're all friends here now. Tablespoon of that. Ooh. It's hitting me at the back of the throat. Then just a little bit of salt. You can always add more salt later. So we'll turn this on. Now all we have to do is blend this up and just see the mixture, see the texture and where we're at. Okay, let's see. So you can see it's nice and liquidy. Yep, now let's taste it. That's perfect. That's so good. Mmm. Okay, let's put this on the salad now. Okay, our salad's ready. Our dressing's ready. We are ready. So I'm gonna pour about half the dressing in and then start using some tongs to start tossing it because, oh gosh, I'll eat that. Obviously, we got a lot of salad to go in here. So I'm gonna start lifting it up, start getting the dressing to coat on everything. And a reminder, use a really big bowl, okay? A really big bowl. Now let's keep adding just a little bit. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. It's so colorful. And it is so refreshing yet comforting with this peanut dressing. And if you don't like peanut butter, you can use any kind of nut butter you want. You could use tahini, so you could use a sesame seed butter. You can use cashew butter, sunflower seed butter. It's totally up to you. Okay, we're doing so good. Okay, last of the dressing. Pour it all in, get every little bit out there. No dressing goes to waste here, okay? Beautiful. One more toss and we will be good to go. Beautiful. Now look at this salad. I mean, this is giant, okay? This is a giant salad. It's gonna go so far, it's going to serve so many guests, or it's just gonna last for days in your fridge, and so you can make multiple meals out of it. This salad is so easy, it is so delicious. You'll be eating it off the counter. Let's get in it. Mmm! I love this so much. No, I have to have one more bite. You have to try it. You have to try this salad. Because not only is it delicious right away, you could make this, add the dressing, and then take it to a barbecue and it will stay great, or keep it in the fridge for a few days and it just gets better. I swear, I love this salad. I want to eat it every day. It is the perfect summer salad. But the only way you're gonna know that is if you try it. So head to the description below. I have the recipe tagged there. And so you can go straight to my blog, print out the recipe, make it up, and try it out. And you can tell me what you think. But do you have any other summer salads you like to make? Let me know in the comment section. I'm always looking for great summer salads that are cool, refreshing, and filling at the same time. I'm Juli Bauer Roth of PaleoMG. It's time for me to sign off because I got a salad for a few days to eat. It's time to start chipping away at it. But if you want to see even more videos, I have a few coming up I think you're gonna like, so stay tuned for those.